Many weird facts sound so strange that everyone thinks they are fake. However, sometimes our limited knowledge makes us doubt things they are completely real. In today's episode, we are going to show surprising facts that are actually true. Scotland's national animal is a unicorn. The Greenland shark has an average lifespan of 272 years. Some of them can even live as long as 500 years. Most are excellent swimmers. They are born knowing how to swim and how swim 6 miles per hour and has the ability to keep the pace of 2 hours. Mantis streams can punch with the force of a bullet. They have one of the fastest and most powerful punches in nature. Honey never spoils. It has an excellent chemical composition which prevents organisms from living in it. So, no matter how old is the honey, it's probably perfectly edible. There are a lot more trees on Earth than there are stars in galaxy. NASA estimates that there could be from 100 billion to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The Earth has more than 3 trillion trees. Every planet of the whole solar system can fit between the Earth and the Moon. The biggest tire manufacturer in the world is Lego. The companies make more than 50% more tires than other tire manufacturers such as Bridgestone and Goodyear. Cheetahs can't roar. Instead, they make a sound very similar to the house cat. Teeth can retouch to their roots after being knocked out if they are put back into their place. Cashew are collected from the bottom of cashew apple, which grows in the cashew trees. The lighter has invented before the match was. Humans are born without kneecaps bones. We only develop them around the age of 3. It may not seem like it, but penguins do have knees. The reason why they aren't visible in the penguin's legs are covered by dense feathers. McDonald's is the largest distributor in the world. About 20% of McDonald's sales involve Happy Meals, which including a toy. Clouds may look very lighted, but the science says otherwise. The average cumulus clouds you can see during the sunny day weigh around 500,000 kgs. Throughout the history of the world, there are been more than 108 billion people alive. Since there are more than 7 billion people alive today, it means that around 7% of those who ever lived exist today. The glass ball can bounce higher than a rubber ball of the same size. While the name may suggest otherwise, peanuts are not nuts. In fact, they belong to same plant family as lentils and beans, etc. Rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same protein substance that makes up the human nails. So viewers, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, take care and goodbye.